We've got a new driveway to install, and this might have been the fastest we've ever done it. It only took us 3 days to install about 500 square feet of pavers, and you're about to see the entire process of how that happened. The project actually starts days before we get here. We make sure to call 811 and they mark things like the gas line, electrical line, and other utilities in the area. Then we can begin the actual work. This is all being coordinated with the homeowner. They know we're calling 811 and they have a pretty close idea to our start date. We bring all the necessary equipment to get the job done easy and fast. In this project, you see us using a skid loader, and we brought our 2 dump trucks to dump concrete and dirt. That was basically the plan for day 1. Do the demolition and excavation. On day 1, we also connected a gutter on the right side of the house and brought it all the way to the sidewalk. Now on day 2 was when we did the most amount of work here. We did the base rock, which is the foundation for the pavers. You're going to see us do our bedding layer and install all of the pavers. For us, this has now become a streamlined process, so we know exactly what comes after each step. Not only do we know the process, but we have the experience to do the job quickly. A detailed step before laying down pavers is getting a square shot with the house. Many people think that installing pavers is just putting one next to the other, and it is, but before you actually install the pavers, you have to make sure you're square from the house. That way your pavers look straight. And that brings us to day 3, where we did all the cuts and our edge restraint. Let me tell you what an edge restraint is. We do an edge restraint where our pavers are not up against the foundation of the house, a concrete sidewalk, or aren't against something solid. So when they're in an open area, let's say next to grass, we pour concrete underneath the pavers so that they don't move. And that was pretty much it for this project. My camera died, so I did not get the compaction process of the pavers, but you can definitely see that in another video. If you're in the San Jose area and you're thinking of doing pavers, feel free to send us an email, tell us what type of project you have, and we'll give you an estimate. And for the rest of you guys, thank you for watching. We truly appreciate it. And we're going to start going live on YouTube, so make sure to stay tuned.